Wax packs. Why might you need skate wax? Skate wax is designed to make obstacles easier to slide and grind. If you're experiencing wheel bite or the obstacle is feeling a bit sticky, this will help you slide and grind right through that. How to apply skate wax. You want to use firm pressure and apply it to the obstacle itself that you're skating in circular motions or back and forth. You want to apply on the area that you're actually sliding or grinding on, or where your wheels might be experiencing wheel bite. You can also apply it to your slide block or your trucks on your skates. Is there etiquette when using skate wax? Yes. If there are other people skating the same obstacle as you that you want to wax, make sure you ask them if it's okay that you wax it before you do. Not everyone enjoys the obstacle to be super slippery when skating, so if there's other people that are still skating the same obstacle as you at the same time, you want to make sure that they're prepared for it and they're okay with it. If you're not sure or they're not okay with it, you can apply the wax directly to your skates on the trucks or the slide block. What are the scents? The cassette is scented in mint, the gummy bears are gummy bear scented, the mushrooms are fruity pebble scented, and the hemp leaf is herbal and floral scented. Are they edible? Even though the wax might smell delicious and it's made from high-grade paraffin, please do not ingest these as much as it might be tempting. Is it vegan? My wax does not use beeswax and we do not use any animal products. The wax itself is 100% vegan. Where are they made? My wax is made in Chicagoland area of Illinois and they're handmade by me in my own home. So they're handmade in Illinois, USA.